Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you 5 steps to easily download and install Postman. Come with me. First, you open your preferred browser and paste this link. Second, you select your operating system. However, in my case, I will be selecting the Windows. Third, you click on the download button. Fourth, you wait for the download to be completed. However, I've already installed Postman, so I won't be downloading this. And finally, fifth, once the download has been completed, you initiate the installation process. And once installation has been completed, your app should launch. With this, you have successfully downloaded and installed Postman.